The seagull. The seagull is one type of gull. A gull is just one kind of bird. There are over 1,000 kinds of birds in the world. The seagull is a bird that we often see at the beach. Seagulls are medium to large birds. They are usually gray or white with some black color. They have curved yellow bills. They squawk and screech loudly. Seagulls are also very smart. Seagulls are found throughout Canada and the United States. They usually live in coastal areas. Some live inland near lakes and rivers. Seagulls can drink both fresh and salt water. They can fly long distances. Some gulls live on islands far from the coast. They travel many miles from their island homes each day. They visit beaches and coastal areas to get food. Mothers lay 2 to 3 eggs at a time. Seagulls are very protective of their babies. They take care of them for up to 6 months after they are born, providing food and protection. Some of the babies will remain close to their mothers even after they have grown up. Seagull families form expanded family units called colonies. All birds in the colonies work together to protect their territories by attacking predators as large groups. Some seagulls have been known to attack people, but this is rare. Seagulls are carnivores, so they eat meat. They mostly eat fish, shellfish, and small rodents. However, seagulls will eat anything that people leave behind. They will eat rotting meat and garbage at landfills. They will even eat leftover candy, cigarette butts, and French fries at the beach. The better their diet, the longer seagulls live. The average seagull lives 10 to 12 years. However, some have been known to live much longer. Their lifespans also depend upon the type and number of predators in the seagull's habitats. Some individual gulls have been known to live over 25 years. Because seagulls can live in many places, they have become problem pests in some areas. They gather in farming areas, in landfills, or even on school grounds, looking for food to eat. Their droppings are smelly and hard to clean. Half of the birds that crash into airplanes are seagulls. Seagulls have been known to crack airplane windows and cause much damage if they fly into the engines.